ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे।
Namaste and a very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
I would like to thank Global Spoken English for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. Today, I am going to deliver a speech on English language. As all of you know, it is global language. It is so much important in this era, and it is an international language. It is spoken all over the world. The people of the world communicate with each other by this language. This language is used in everyday life at home, in the market, in the office, at school, in college, among friends, wala. Economics, history, geography are taught in English. Without understanding English, the international student can't get scholarship America, Britain, Japan, China or other rich countries. The English language is also important to understand literature like poems, stories, essays, dramas and films. The most world literature is written in English. We Indians should understand the importance of English. If we can't speak English, we can't know world. We can't communicate our ideas to the foreigners. And English is used in industries, factories and commerce. Therefore, the value and importance of English language is increasing day by day. It is used in different aspects of life. Uh, who those can't speak right or understand English, they have to face many problems. Thus, this language has become the language of human progress and prosperity. I conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day.